critical library mismatch involving the Comadmin Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we dive into the Comadmin library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Comadmin library, the COM+ administrative functions library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for managing and configuring COM+ applications and components. It facilitates the localized orchestration of unmanaged transactional component manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since Comadmin Library DLL belongs to the Windows system core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Comadmin library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Installing an unverified version of Comadmin Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Comadmin library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Comadmin library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support,